So if your business wants fast charging, the Tesla wall connectors, no matter what type of EV vehicle you have, it's universal. So it has the NACS connector to be able to handle the Teslas and the non-Teslas, the universal wall connector. What I love is that it's hardware and software in one device. So when you are charging your vehicle, you don't have a hardware made by one company and a software made by another company for your business to be able to collect revenue from. It's extremely easy to use with the back-end interface that allows the business owner to collect revenue. I've installed so many EV chargers over the years. This bad boy is $600. The electrical, the permitting, running the wire, you should have the service panel already in your existing building or home. Adding a breaker, such an easy process. Every business should have Tesla level 2 chargers because when an individual comes to your business, they will be able to charge. Now, I know what you're thinking. You don't want to pay for that. And that's the benefit of the all-in-one software. You'll be able to charge customers. You'll be able to set the rate and you'll be able to see how long they're using them for. You'll be able to see how much money you're earning. So if you call National EV, we'll bring out the Tesla. We'll bring out a wall charger. We'll show you how they work, how they connect. We'll give you videos on charge time. We'll give you real life examples of charge times. These are great, long-term, reliable chargers. Grok, how much better is the Tesla wall connector compared to other chargers?
The Tesla wall connector stands out for Tesla owners with up to 48 amp charging, about 44 miles per hour, plus seamless app integration and a 4-year warranty, often ranking top or near top in 2026 reviews. It's faster and more reliable than many like Grizzle E or Juicebox for Teslas.
If you've never driven a Tesla, it is a dream come true. This is a demo model I just got. After having it for less than 24 hours, I'm convinced. I'm putting a deposit down and I'm gonna buy a Model Y or a Cybertruck. The self-driving, to me, is the equivalent of what it was like to not have a cell phone and then have a cell phone, to not have an iPhone and then to have an iPhone. Pair it with an amazing wall connector, you'll never have range anxiety. You'll never want another vehicle. You'll be a Tesla fan for life.